So this is the next lesson. Plus 3. Plus 3 is equal to plus 5 and minus 2. You can write in copy. And I think you have already written the question. So I will show you this two question. 1, 1, 3, 4, 1 and minus 3. You tell me the number. What is the first number in question number 2?
1.
1. What is the next number?
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Plus 1. 3.
3. Now see, 3 is not available here. So what we will do? We will take help from
We
small
have
sign.
to
That is
do plus 5.
plus 5.
Plus 5 minus
2. Yes. So what is the answer?
5.
5. Very good. Now question number 3. Write the answer. Question number 3. You tell me the number.
Next.
What is the first number in question number 3?
4.
Plus 4. Yes. Then
Minus 1.
minus 1. What is the next number, sir?
3. Plus
3. So how to do plus 3, sir?
First plus 5.
Plus 5
Then minus 2.
minus 2. What is the answer, sir?
6.
6. Okay. Thank you.